In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the GUID expression in Power Automate effectively. If you're looking to understand how to generate and display a globally unique identifier, also known as a GUID, within Power Automate, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, from setting up the flow to actually generating and inspecting your GUID. We'll utilize the Compose action, a core feature for managing data within flows, making it a straightforward and reliable method. To kick things off, you'll first want to start your flow. In this example, we'll be using an instant cloud flow due to its simplicity, which is triggered manually. If you're new to creating flows, don't worry. This step is quite easy. Simply navigate to your Power Automate dashboard and initiate a new instant cloud flow. Once you have your flow set up, it's time to add the Compose action. You do this by clicking on plus New Step. From here, you'll search for Compose in the search bar. Make sure to select the data operation Compose action that appears in your list of options. With your Compose action in place, you'll now need to enter the GUID expression. Click into the Inputs field within the Compose action to get started. This will open the dynamic content expression pane on the side. Here, it's critical to switch over to the Expression tab. This is where you'll type in the GUID function, which looks exactly like this, GUID. Once you've typed out the function, go ahead and click OK. At this point, your Compose action is fully configured. What this means is that every time the flow runs, a new, unique GUID will be generated. This is super helpful when you need a unique identifier for various operations within your workflow. If you prefer your GUIDs to be without hyphens, you can use a slight variation in the expression by inputting GUIDen instead. This is entirely optional, but a useful tip depending on your project's needs. Now, it's time to see your work in action by testing the flow. Save your flow to ensure all your settings are intact, and then click on Test. If you happen to be working with a scheduled flow, you would select Run instead. Once the flow has completed its run, it's crucial to inspect the Compose action's output. This is where you'll find the newly generated GUID, ready for whatever application you have in mind. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to generate a GUID using Power Automate. With this skill, you can enhance your data management processes, ensuring that each piece of generated data remains uniquely identifiable.